Hello and welcome to the coding solution. Now that we have understood what is CPU, we will see how does it actually manipulate the data. If you have not watched the video what is CPU, please do watch that first. Link in the description below and in the card that will pop up from the left corner. We are not going in depth with computer architecture. We will understand at a very high level. So CPU is a dumb device that takes some value as input and gives some output. For example, suppose we want to add 5 and 7. First, both 5 and 7 will be converted to their equivalent binary representation. These binary numbers will be interpreted as voltage levels 0 and 5. This 5 volt is not a standard, it may vary depending upon the CPU vendor. Assume there is one 4-bit adder present in CPU which will accept 4 voltage levels at a time as input and outputs 4 voltage levels. Again, the output voltage level will be interpreted as binary numbers by the software. By the way, modern computers are latched with 64-bit compute units which can operate on 64-bit data. We just wrote a equal to 5 plus 7, but in real world addition will have some binary code. For example, if it is 0001, then perform addition. If it is 0002, perform multiplication and so on. In summary, a equal to 5 plus 10, a will be stored in a CPU register, 5 plus and 10 will be converted to the binary that CPU understands. The result will be stored back in binary. Now, when users want to see the data, the stored data will be converted back in human readable form. But storage always happens in binary. There are a lot of other operations that happens before CPU does actual computation, but we will discuss that in other videos. Remember that addition, subtraction and every other operation has a binary representation that CPU understands. We will build on top of this concept in next video. Please like, subscribe and share.